If you're watching this, you have not given me your email yet. You have not checked out my breakdown in my bio. You have not taken the next step. Now, I'm very curious why you would not do that, especially if you've watched any of my videos and you know where I'm at right now after about 75 days, making money at 60 days. It was just one day. I sat down at my kitchen table and I did the math on my retirement. I'm 56 years old. I had almost nothing saved. No real 401k, no pension, no safety net. I was really scared because I knew Social Security wasn't going to cover it. I didn't want to work until I was dead. I don't want to be a burden on my kids. And I knew if I didn't figure something out soon, I was going to spend my last 20 years anxious about money. So I started looking. I got trapped into these get-rich-quick schemes and spent too much money doing that. I've always been I want to do it now and I want to do it fast kind of person. So that didn't help. They tricked me with their Lamborghinis and their quick wit. And I was just desperate. So I tried anything. I tried drop shipping, crypto, and like I said, I had the 22-year-olds with rented Lamborghinis telling me to trust the process. I looked at them all. And I almost gave up. I really did. I was like, this, there's just not really anything out there, and all this is bullshit. Because none of it was built for a man my age. I mean, I do have a tech background, but you don't need one at all. I was lucky. It sped me up a little bit, but with all the help you're given in this course, in this business, you don't really need it. I needed something that already worked, almost like a turnkey, something, a business in a box, if you will. When I eventually found what is called Legacy Builders, it's a digital business with what's called master resale rights, which sounds complicated. It is not. But here's what it actually means in plain English. You get a complete professional digital product, already built, already designed, already proven, and you have the right to sell it and keep 100% profit. Not a percentage, the whole sale. The whole sale. You don't share it with anybody. It's not a commission, if you will, that you spread out amongst 5 people. Nothing like that. 100% commissions on anything you sell. The whole sale. All right. Here's why this matters for someone my age. I don't have 10 years to build a personal brand. I don't have the energy to ship physical products from my garage. I'm not going to learn how to be a TikTok influencer at 56 years old. Well, I am, but you know what I mean. I needed something where the hard part is already done. The product is already built. The website is done. The marketing materials are done. The training is done. My job is to learn how to put it in front of people, which I'm doing right now, talking to you. That's it. I told you I'd give you the honest breakdown. So let me tell you what I like about it first. What I like is I work this business from my kitchen table. about 2 hours a day, sometimes less. I don't have any inventory. I don't have any employees. I don't have to recruit my family and friends in, which I would never do anyway. I'm not building somebody else's empire, is what I'm trying to say. When I make a sale, it's mine. And part of a community of other people, a lot of them over 40. And I'm a part of a community of other people that are over 40 as well. 40s, 50s, 60s, who are figuring this out alongside me. That part, that I'm not alone, has been huge. What I don't love, I'll be honest, it's not a magic button. You still have to work. You have to show up. And if you're looking for something where you click a link and money just shows up tomorrow, this isn't for you. It's not that. Nothing is, though. Trust me on that. And anyone selling you that is a lie, is a liar. The other thing I'll say is that the investment to start isn't free. You're going to pay. You're going to pay 100, 300, 600, 900, or 1,400 to buy this business. A done-for-you business, mind you. So the fact that it isn't free isn't really the hard part. But $1,400, I understand completely that is a tough sell for some people. I had to, and this is God's honest truth, I had to sneak it from our family. I hid it. And I built up enough money because I wanted the $1,400 plan, because you get everything. You get like 10 streams of income in your hand in a hot second. Done, ready to go. I was up and selling in 4 hours. You got to put your name on it, make it yours. Excuse me. You got to do all that stuff so, people know who they're buying from, and you get the money. Of course, you got to set up your bank account and stuff like that. Very easy, full instructional packet, step-by-step instructions. No worries. Don't worry about it. So where was I? I kind of got off track there. I get all excited when we talk about when I actually bought, because it was a scary moment for me, but it was, I knew this product was for me. I knew there was no bullshit. There was no fluff. Everyone is awesome. The mentor I bought from helped me along the way. Plenty of emails, making sure I was all set. I had what I needed. There's a school community that you instantly get to join, which you can ask a question. We do have tech support, but it's funny, you don't need it, because you throw a question out there and somebody on the school community board is going to answer it and help you out. We have so much for educational purposes: Zoom calls, how-tos, instructional videos that are massive. Every single detail you could possibly think of is in there. Excuse me. I'm not going to edit this video, so forgive me for the cough, but I just want this to be real and honest and me. So yeah, the money, you have to buy it. I get it's hard, but it's honest math. I just told you what it is. And after that, it's all profit. So say you sell a $1,400 package. After you buy in, you already paid off your business. Did you hear that? You paid off your business in one sale. Now, if you have to do two $900 to pay it off, but now you made a profit. Interesting. So it's crazy. And that's the best part about it. When you wake up in the morning and I've never been so excited to pick up my phone. I used to hate it. Who's bugging me now? Who do I owe money? What bill is bothering me? Who's calling now? Now I get up so excited. It's the first thing I do is check my Stripe account. And it's the greatest thing. And I wake up my wife and she gets all mad. Not really mad because she knows it's all money and she loves it too. So anyway, getting off topic. So yeah, awesome. I want to address the fear. If you're sitting there thinking, I don't know if I can do this at my age, trust me, you can. I am proof right here. I'm right here. I'm making money with this product. I'm on my phone making a video at 56 years old. I felt the exact same way. I'm not a salesperson, though. I'm a regular guy. I got tired of pretending things were going to magically work out. Yeah, just something I'm going to wake up and, I'm going to have a big check in my mailbox or the lottery, and which I don't even play, so I don't even know what I was thinking there. The risk of trying something new at 56, the risk of doing nothing and waking up at 66 years old in the exact same spot. Now that's scary, people. We still got it. We still have it. I don't care if you're 60. You still have it. You still have time. We have 60-year-olds in the community right now making six figures. We have I can't even remember how many, 900 people making six figures and up. That's crazy. I just got this to make $1,000. $1,000 a month, $1,000 a week would be, oh my God. So, and here I am. Now my goals are already different. I blew away $1,000 a month, and I'm blowing away $1,000 a week. It's just right there for me. That's where I'm at. So, the God's honest truth, that's where I'm at. I'm just about at the the $1,000 a week mark. Some weeks not quite, some weeks are a little bit over, so I'm averaging right around there. Anyway, just stop hesitating. Stop. Once you figure it out and you read the blueprint in my bio or in the description below on my website, you're going to understand. You're going to understand it, or you're going to understand either way, whether it's for you or whether it's not. But there is no bullshit and there is no fluff. So that's a good indicator right there. Nobody bullshits you and fluffs you in this community. No one. Everyone tells the truth. Everyone is like, I'm having a rough day. I did it when I first started, because I was a month in and complaining because I didn't make any sales yet. And they were like, you got to keep your head down. You're a little early to be complaining about that. And I'm like, okay. And I kept doing it. Kept putting in my 3 videos a day at least. And I kept moving on. And boom, it happened. So it happens. And there's so many other people out there. My mentor, she's like a rock star. I don't even imagine. If I even got close to what she's making, I would be doing a backflip right here and now at 56 years old. I would do it right here on the camera. I can't. I'm not, I told you what I'm making. I'm not anywhere near her. She is doing crazy money. $14,000 a week. A week. She did 6 figures in, it was a ridiculous amount of time. 30 or 90 days. I don't want to lie, but it's in there. It's just a ridiculous amount of money. What? How? I don't know how she's doing it. I don't know what magic pill she's on, but whatever. Good for her. It's awesome. Retired grandma. Glamma is what she calls herself. It's funny. Anyway, way off topic. I'm 15 minutes in now. Okay, if you're still here, man, you are interested. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to make the rest a little quicker. Okay. So here's what I'd like to ask you to do right now. Go down and click that button, click the website, check out the blueprint. I'm not going to pressure you to do anything else, just that. No free, no obligation. You just click in. All I'm taking from you is your email. I just want your email. You can have the rest for free. Okay. I'm not going to bullshit you. It's only available for the next 40 minutes. Nope, that's not what we do here. Not true. That's going to be there all the time, anytime. You wake up in the middle of the night and you go, ding, I get it now. I get it. I want in. You can just go to my website and it's going to still be free. And the prices for this business buy-in are still going to be the same. So we are only going up. We have so many people interested in this program, getting involved, because our school community is so big that other people are like, how did you do that? What are you doing? Like, well, why is there so many people in there? Because it's not a lot of communities out there that have 59,000 people. So another indication right there. And everybody's positive. The reviews are good. Yes, you get a couple nasty reviews out there, but let me tell you, if you research the review and you look into it, the person spent 2 weeks trying to do it. They wanted to get rich quick, and it's not. You got to put your time in. You got to put the money in, not the money. You already put your money in. You got to put the time in. That's it. No more money. There are no monthly fees, no tricks, nothing coming up and going to bite you. Nothing. I pay nothing for this business now, except my time. That's it. And I've given my time away for the past friggin' 50 years. So whatever. I'll put a couple hours in to make $1,000 a week. No problem. All right, I'm going to wrap up. My allergies are starting to act up. So look, it's there. If it's right for you, great. If it's not, that's fine too. We'll still get the rest of my emails. I'll keep showing you what I'm doing. And maybe you'll change your mind someday. Last push. I'm going to leave you with this. I sat down at that kitchen table for it's going on. I'm pushing 80 days now. Scared about my future. And I made a decision. I decided that my situation wasn't going to get better by waiting. If you're in the same chair right now, and you're 50, 55, 60, and your future is scaring you a little, I built this video. I'm making this video for you. Click the freaking button and read it. That's all I'm asking you to do. Read the blueprint. Again, my name is Chris. I'm glad you watched. I appreciate it. Hit all the buttons you're supposed to, please. Wait for my next video. If you're not deciding now, maybe I can encourage you later. Okay? Thank you very much again. Love you. Peace out, Gen Xers.